Hi, welcome to Mastercutlery Demo Room. For a lot of first-timers, there are a lot of questions on how to open and close a folding knife. Today we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a liner lock. With a liner lock, the locking mechanism is hidden within the handle. This particular knife is equipped with spring assist and also has a flipper and a thumb stud as two ways of deploying the blade. To use the flipper, apply pressure and the blade will do the rest. To use the thumb stud, push towards the side of the thumb stud and the blade comes out just the same. To disengage the blade, you want to push the liner lock towards the left and move the blade into the closing position. That's it for now. We'll be back in the Mastercutlery Demo Room with more helpful tips real soon.